Sam, where does meat come from?
I don't know.
Where do you think it comes from?
I don't know. A grocery store?
Nope. Did you know a hamburger is meat?
Yeah.
Did you know a hot dog is meat?
Yeah.
Did you know the meat comes from cows?
Yeah. And fat milk comes from cows.
Yeah, we get milk too. Do you know where the meat comes from the cow?
No.
We eat the inside of the cow.
Ew.
Ew!
That's what hamburgers and hot dogs are. Is that yucky?
Yeah.
We cut them open and eat it and cook it.
Yeah, that's...
Gross!
Did you know that meat also comes from chickens?
No.
Well, we eat the inside of chickens too. Did you know that we eat pigs too?
Yuck.
Do you know what bacon comes from?
Pigs and stuff?
Yeah, pigs. Bacon comes from pigs.
Ew.
That's gross.